Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we have the must-have protective gears for the bikers. But before that, I have one small question for you. Do you guys know one of the which body part makes us the highest level being on this planet apart from our brain? Well, these are our hands. So while riding, protecting the hands is a very essential thing, for which I have this Rynox Air GT gloves. So let's begin. Well guys, Rynox is quite a known brand in the biking community for its quality product and a vision to provide safe and reliable riding experience. So do check them out. The link is the given description box below. These are summer oriented short gloves by Rynox, and these are no nonsense gloves that you will find in Flipkart or Amazon. These are Air GT gloves that comes with CE certifications, which includes 15 different tests. These are all leather gloves, and in the knuckles there is this TPU protector along with this high density foam. The high density foams also is present in the fingertips as well as in the joint. The whole body is made up of heavy duty perforated soft leather that gives you very good ventilations while you are riding in the summers or in any other conditions. Though these gloves are not waterproof, that you cannot wear it in rainy seasons, but otherwise you can wear it in every other season. Comfort wise also, these gloves are quite good because of the pre-curved fingers as well as this acodine sheets. The whole body of these gloves is made up of genuine leather chassis, which is fully perforated, helps skin ventilation. The acodine sheath panels also helps for the better movement of the fingers as well as on the wrist. These are very good. In the knuckle guards, there are also TPU protection with high density foam, and the touch screen facility is also enabled on the fingertips. So these gloves comes under 1 year warranty, and also Rynox is providing a 50,000 insurance coverage for 1 year along with these gloves. So you can own these gloves at a rupees of 2700 only. The link is in the description box below, so do check out. So with that note, let's end this video. Work hard, ride responsibly, and stay safe.